All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everybody. Justin Clark here. I am going to take a look at Bitcoin and the crypto markets this morning. Do this almost every day. Took off yesterday for Turkey Day. Hope everybody had a nice Thanksgiving that was celebrating. And I want to get right into it this morning and kind of go over what's going on. Bitcoin's done a little bit of a resurgence. It might be charging towards 100K again. We're going to see. Good morning. As you come on, a little bit of housekeeping. Good morning, Lise. If you want to say hello, let me know where you're tuning in from. If you're watching this live or on replay, that's always awesome to see. And if you want to get market analysis like this each morning in your inbox or pushed to you by notification, you can follow me on Facebook or subscribe to us on YouTube. Clive, good morning. Just saw you were active in the chat box. Just said hello in there. Yeah, we have a chat box too that's 24/7, 365 for everybody. All right. So I do want to get into what's happening. We're going to be two other things here. One, for those who are new and are finding this that want to learn about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency and trading them, you can get back with the person who shared this video with you. There's about a 40-minute free boot camp that you can do that's going to amaze you in what you can learn in such a short period of time. Take you well along the road to actually trading crypto. And if you're not sure who referred you or you don't have anybody who referred you, you can just shoot an email at support@iCoinPro. They can help you out and then get you the free boot camp. Also, if you like what you see on the free boot camp, we got a 1-week course you can do that will actually teach you how to use this trading system that's been going strong since 2017. And we have people from all over the world. We got people tuning in from Texas. Hello, good morning, Samuel. Yeah, I know, man, it's awesome. Live in the chat box. Also, we got JT from South Africa. Welcome. Glad to have you here. All right, so let's get right into this, guys. And I'm going to be using a chart setup called the MA Momentum Chart Setup. If you are a member, welcome, Dean. Good morning. Of iCoinPro and have learned about the MA Momentum Chart Setup, go ahead, let me know in the chat box. I'm curious who's used it and seen the value of it. I feel like it's one of those things that we teach. Obviously, everything we teach, there's just a lot of amazing stuff. Simple to learn, but pretty amazing. But the MA Momentum Chart Setup can save people so much money that are crypto investors and really help you know when you're possibly really investing at the wrong time or, potentially the right time. So again, we don't give investment advice here. Please, we're not licensed and insured for that. That's not what we do. We have a system that teaches you how to day trade it, finds the trades for you with our software, and allows you to compound your balance in a relatively safe and risk-free way trading crypto. All right. Again, if you have the iCoinPro trading portal, you get a load chart layout and you click on MA Momentum. There's 2 different chart setups in here. And if you want to do the full training on the MA Momentum Chart Setup, stands for Moving Average Momentum. Moving averages are an indicator that people use in trading. You just go to part 3, Micro Profit System part 3, and it's right here. It's a short module, a little over 40 minutes you can do to learn about that chart setup. And for those who are looking at the boot camp and doing that, this is where it is right here, iCoinPro Trading Boot Camp. So you can do it right there. All right, moving along here. Let's take a look at this chart setup here today, and I'm going to briefly describe how it works. So the way that this chart setup works is you've got all these lines here, and these lines represent different moving averages, okay? And these moving averages are calculations that really, you don't even need to know how it works. It's like a TV. You just need to know how to turn it on. So with that said, these moving averages, there's a purple line here, a maroon, gold, green, orange, etc. When we're trading above all of these, that's potentially positive, meaning that we may be in a bullish cycle. All right. If we are trading below all of them, that means that we may be building up bearish momentum and potentially in a bearish cycle, as you can see here, where we're trading below all of them. So real quick, you can kind of see where we are potentially. Right now, we're potentially in a bull run and almost definitely not in a bear cycle right now. Here we were potentially in a bear cycle, almost definitely not in a bull cycle. And you can see that time and time again, when we enter these bear cycles, we get trapped below the moving averages. And then when we break through them, then we potentially begin the bullish momentum. All right, so obviously right now, 100K is the level to watch. On the downside, it looks like about 90K is the key resistance there. So we may consolidate and trade in this range, form some sort of pattern up here. We don't know yet. But right now we get a nice bounce off of this light purple moving average, which is always a bullish, more bullish indicator, is a good thing. So that's positive. So will we be able to take out 100K or actually even touch it? We'll have to see. It's a big psychological barrier. And we'll have to see what happens from there. We could be at the top of this market cycle, or we could be at the start of something new. All right, we're going to have to see what happens here. Yes, Dean. Yeah, Dean's been smashing it right now trading. And he took the free boot camp. I see that. On my way to second Christmas party. I know, we're getting Christmas early this year with the way the market is. Oh, okay, he's DJ. Oh, cool, man. Oh, that's awesome. Looks like Dean is a DJ. That's too funny. All right, you got some good chatter going on here. Dean actually gained 8.2% by simply plugging into the powerful portal. Yeah, the iCoinPro trading portal is an amazingly powerful tool. Pushes everything right to your phone, so you got the notifications. All right. Oh, awesome. Yeah. Good morning there, Canadian day trader. And thank you for the Thanksgiving wishes all the way from Canada. All right. So, yep, Dean does. He shows up every day, working the system. That's so cool. All right. So moving along here, let's look at this again. 100K, 90K. These are the key levels. Losing 90K or putting pressure on again, or even putting pressure on this light purple moving average, which is sitting about 93, 94K. Could cause the alts to tumble. Some of the alts have been charging pretty hard. Again, you just don't know when it's going to turn. We could be charging higher now in this new trading range, or again, the 100K could be the end of the party. All right. So we'll just have to see, but let's keep an eye on those levels for now. And as far as longs and shorts, this is always an interesting thing to look at on Binance. Right now, the market's getting a little more short again. That means that shorts are people betting Bitcoin's going down, usually with leverage. Longs are people betting Bitcoin's going up, usually with leverage. So they are, the shorts are getting a little higher, but nothing, nothing that really concerns me until one of these numbers gets over 70%. Then we've got the potential for a more dramatic market move. So pretty much business as normal right now. Flipping over to the trading portal. Oh man, SPA has been amazing. I made almost $1,600 so far today on SPA, trading that. Obviously I have a bigger balance, but you can build up to that. Just trading in and out, man. It's been amazing trading SPA. So SPA's been very high volume and very amazing movement. Like you can see this one trade here. I mean, I didn't even hold it for that long, and I did 6% on the trade. It ended up charging back up 40%. But again, listen, you don't know when it's going to do 40% or just what you got. I was already up almost $1,000 on that one trade, with a 6% gain. And that's the key to trading, man, is like you don't push it. It's like take the small profits, because listen, I traded over here too on this. And I'd be pretty much just break even on this trade right now had I not sold it. Okay. So I buy, I do the trade, make the money, buy, do the trade, make the money. I don't worry about where it's going to go. It's probably going to come across and give me even more trades. And I'll be continuing to compound my balance versus trying to be, hit that one magic trade that makes me a ton of money. Again, you don't know. I've had times where coins I bought and didn't sell, and then they ended up just going into a total obliteration cycle. So Again, we just follow the system. That's how I've learned how to do this. You buy, sell, rinse, repeat, look for our pattern. That's it. It's easy peasy. And the software brings it all to you. So you don't have to feel like you're staring at charts all day, because you don't have to. The system brings everything to you. Okay, so, and by the way, everybody, make sure you clear your watch list. Go into your spread tracker, your dump tracker, your blow up tracker. Clear these all out, okay, once per day or twice a day, and let the system rebuild the list so you have the freshest data. It's going to crawl all the coins so you don't have to. See, I just added XLM to my list there. So the system automatically tracks all the coins, everything that's going on, and adds the potential trades to your list and then sends you notifications. All right. So back to Buddy Coin Crawler, definitely SPA, 20% average potential profit on dip trades. Holy moly, that's crazy. 50 million in 24-hour volume. That's super great. Next runner up is probably AMP here with 22 million, 7% potential profit. And then coming down, we'll put FET on the list. There's a couple of smaller ones, but we want high volume, and see, this has 52 million in volume on FET. So we'll keep an eye on FET. Again, a lot of these, they're setting new highs or highs for the cycle. So, I'm just being conservative. I'm waiting until it really gets a good roller coaster and has a really good dip pattern, and then going in and rocking them. But definitely SPA, AMP, and FET are my ones I'm watching today. All right, everybody, that's all I've got. Again, let's rock these markets. Good morning to you, Dark Age Knight. Sorry, so I thought it was Dark Angel. Oh, good, Lise. Yeah, man, I'll tell you what, SPA has been just amazing to trade. So, oh, cool. Thank you, Clive. I appreciate that, dude. Let's see other comments. Awesome. Yes, exactly. Hey, I play a little piano, so maybe we can get together and jam. We'll see. All right, dude. That's everything that I've got for today. Again, SPA, AMP, and FET are my buddy coins for the day. And then pretty much business as usual. Just rock your trades, follow the system, and let's keep an eye on 90K and 100K. Let's see if we can do 100K. I mean, that would be amazing. But if we get a really fast sell-off when we hit 100K officially and it dips pretty hard, that could be, not a good signal for the market. But again, we just don't know. We'll take it one dip trade at a time. I'll tell you, some days all I know is squeeze bubble 1, 2, 3 money, and that's it. Take care, everybody. Let's see what happens in these crazy crypto markets today. Bye-bye.